Hey guys, today we're unboxing a new Roomba.
All right, so this is the XIEBro combo robot vacuum and mop. We got this from Amazon and it was 46% off with an additional $40 off coupon. I'll put the link in the description. I'm not sure how long this sale will last, but we did get it for under $100. All right, so take it out of the box, Wyatt.
A little hard. It's like rip the box open. It's a little hard. There we go. Got it off.
All right, screw unboxing video. Here we go.
Instructions.
So Wyatt, why did you want this one?
I forgot it.
Because you liked the color?
Uh-huh.
So this is the blue robot vacuum, and we've never had a blue one before.
Yeah. Whoa!
There it is.
That
Let's
looks so cool.
It's so pretty, isn't it, Wyatt?
Yeah, it looks like indigo.
Wow.
Extra brush.
Extra brushes.
And another extra filter. Let's see the dustbin. Holy moly, that is so cool.
So what else do you have in there?
So, have the charging base. Let's unwrap that. Wow. Looks so cool. And we have a remote
Oh, it comes with a remote.
and batteries.
And it comes with its own batteries. That's definitely a plus.
Well, that just fell out. Let's
Alright.
get this like plugged in. Oh, well, there's a white light.
All right, and it comes with its own little cleaning brush there on the ground.
And the mop.
And that's the mop. All right, and let's read some of these features, Wyatt. Here we go. So it does come with app control. You can do carpets and hard floors. 1600 PA suction.
Wow. So how do we get this on?
Takes 6 hours to charge.
6 hours? Wow.
Yeah. The dustbin is 250 milliliters. The water tank holds 200 milliliters. All right. Getting the mop on.
Got it. Now I'm gonna turn it on. What? What's going on? I think we have to put it on the charger first.
Does it have an on switch?
No. I read the instructions that I say though.
Oh, you read the instructions already?
Said it's done on.
There you go.
Charging. I want to hear it clean. I want to hear it clean. I want to see how quiet it is. Whoa,
It's pretty quiet. I like it. All right, let's show us the bottom, Wyatt. What does it come with on the bottom? So it has 2 little side brushes and then 1 rolling brush. And it has some sensors there.
So when I push this and it's up.
Ah, it won't work like that.
Let's get the remote set up.
Yes. There you go. And what all does it have on the remote control? Has a home button.
A spot cleaning.
Spot cleaning.
Let's hear the spot cleaning.
All right.
Because the UV spot cleaning goes like a little loud. Let's do this one.
So this one's supposed to be really quiet. Let's see.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Let's do. Let's move this and let it go home.
You're gonna send it home?
Oh, that's really quiet when it goes home.
So pretty, Wyatt.
Yeah.
Well, it had no problem finding its home. That's good. All right, send it back out to clean.
It's so quiet.
It is. All right, you want to put some water in it and let it mop a little bit?
Well, it already has a mop button on it.
Okay, but it doesn't have any water in the tank.
Yeah.
Okay, so you filled up the tank? Okay. All right, let's see how well it mops. So it comes with 2 mopping pads, right? Okay. It just clips right on real easily.
Click.
Good.
Now, press watering.
What did you press?
Watering.
Are you sure that's what it means? Just let it clean.
Mopping. It's mopping.
It
It's
is.
mopping.
Nice. Why don't you do some spot cleaning? We can get these floors nice and shiny, aren't we, Wyatt?
Wow. This is really good.
Yeah.
I want to sound. I want to hear when it's done.
That is some very thorough spot cleaning. I like that. There you go. All done. Nice little circle.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Okay, so the boys have made a big mess with goldfish, and we have some new help here too. Erin came to join us. All right, let's see how well it actually cleans. Wow, that's pretty good.
I never knew it was a mop. I know it mops. It mops and cleans? Yeah.
Mops and vacuums.
Wow, it's doing really good. I know, it's going the wrong way too. Okay, it's time to go on the toys.
It'll come back out.
No, it's not. I don't think it is. Look at that one. It's like his new home. It's so cool, Aaron, right? After he mopped the floor, now he doesn't have to. He's not mopping the floor.
He's vacuuming and mopping at the same time.
Wow!
Wow.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah. You know how the brushes that spin?
Yeah.
I think they're actually making it go inside.
Yeah.
After this, hold on, did you clean the dustbin? Oh yeah, it's it. I want to see how much glitter there.
Yeah, it's right over there.
It's on the remote. But we're not going to send it home yet. The cool part about it is that when all like the brushes got it, if it's like right there, like, so this is the one time remote. It can like, the brushes go to, yes, it's finally going there. Finally. Why did it take so long? It took 10 years. More precious. More patient. Forward. Stop it, Aaron. Now it's not. Where are you going? Where are you going? I think he wants to go outside. Just don't let him outside. No. Oh, it's something. Can we do what the other stuff that is kind of like that? Like Nutella? No, I can't pick up Nutella. It's gonna stay in the mop. You are so silly. Can I move you over there? No. I hate you. You're not the mop. It's really easy. I think I'm safe over here. Yeah. We didn't stop eating. Like, did you make a video of this? Why is it everything in there? I don't know. It's so weird. Don't stop going here. What if it went in a certain way? No, not right there. Yes. Yeah. Is it done?
All right, so Wyatt has the remote. We're gonna see if we can control it with the arrows. Tell it exactly where to go.
Oh. Wait, I want to try. I'm gonna do it. I'm trying to clean. I'm making it go backwards.
So you're doing that with the remote, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now go forwards.
Where do you want forwards?
Oh, all right.
Oops. I think that's good.
That's a pretty good job. Vacuumed and mopped.
Mm-hmm.
Got most of it up.
Look at the mop.
Some crumbs got stuck to the mop. That's okay. All right, let's see the dustbin. Whoa, picked up a lot of goldfish.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. All right, so show us how the dustbin opens.
So,
All right, and there are the goldfish. Did a good job. All right, so this is the remote, and it has some different functions here.
mm-hmm.
This one controls the suction. It has a couple different suction levels. This one controls the water, how much water comes out with the mop. Has spot cleaning here, edge cleaning. This one sends it home, and this is for the Wi-Fi. So next, Wyatt, we need to get it set up on the app. All right. So we got the app set up, and it was really easy to get on the phone. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty basic. You can do random cleaning, edge cleaning, spot cleaning, zigzag, control the mop, and then there's a preferences button, so you can control how much suction power and how much water comes out on the mop. And then there you go, there's a spot for, click on that to find it if it gets lost. You can set a schedule, and here this will tell you when the brushes are due to be replaced. And that's pretty much it. So like I said, it's pretty basic. All right, so Wyatt wants to try it out on the carpet. And then we also have this shag carpet here, so we'll see how it does.
Need to go this way.
Here it goes. So it handles a long carpet pretty well. All right, so we've had this one for a couple of days, and we are very happy with it, aren't we, Wyatt? Yeah, this thing works really well. It's a nice budget-friendly little robot vacuum, so go ahead and buy one. Good job, bud.